short little video of my find of the day, the junkyard. Take a closer look at what we got. It's a Ford 9-inch. Look at that right there. Nodular. My find of the day at the pull your own auto parts place. That's rare. Have to get it out of here pretty quick. Shaft out. Get one lower bottom bolt out. Doing the second bolt. And I can use the impact on the rest of them. These bottom bolts suck too. Yeah, I use a wrench. Sometimes it ain't too bad. This one ain't that bad. Alright, impact. Too many nuts stuck in the socket. Last one. Pull these studs out. She should come out. Maybe. It's a little love tap. Yeah, she's stuck. I have to get a screwdriver or chisel. Alright. That screwdriver wedge is in there. I did say everybody don't use my screwdrivers as chisels, and then I do it myself, but I didn't have no choice, so it should come. Here's the Looks like it's a traclock. Doesn't look like it's broke. This thing will bust in these holes to the bolt hole. These gears are a little rusty. Not bad though. It should have the Daytona pinion sports. You probably can't see it, but it does. Yeah, they're loaded on the cart. Didn't take it out for someone else to get. So. Yeah, but looking at this closer, there should be a date on it right there. I believe that's 1 for 71. I believe. It's probably somebody's Cobra Mustang friend or Torino or something. Ended up in a Ford pickup. But good for me. Bad for whoever else didn't get it. Nothing like finding racing parts at the junkyard. If you ain't got a nodular in your 9-inch, you ain't nothing.